Hello everyone and welcome to this video in which I'm going to restore the Nokia 6700S. Well, I have three of these phones. They all work, they're all missing the battery cover, but I only have parts for one phone. So I'm going to restore the one that has the less stock hours, which is this one, 179. These other two have over 260 hours. So, some other time. Now, without further ado, let's open up this sucker. Be careful when you open this, because these things remain sticked and you may broke the flex cable. I already have two for spare, but I rather not stupidly destroy them, you know. Here we have the bottom keyboard with the vibrator and camera button. Oh, this cable is detachable from here, but I'm not going to do it. Here we have the main board with the camera module and the 3.5mm jack, micro SD slot, micro USB port and volume buttons. Interesting. Here on this shell we have the charging port, which is kind of cool how they made it here with I wonder if it's glowing. I doubt it, but ooh, looking nice. And yeah, it's not snapped, it's good. Oh, it's sticked here. The adhesive remained. Okay, there we go. Take away all the adhesive because I may need it. Dang it. Oh, it's sticked here. All right. Both of these, okay. Nothing else for me to take out of this shell. Now for the upper part. Oh yeah, this has to be mounted together with this. The keyboard is not that bad, but I'll prefer to change it if I have parts. Here are the clamps for the front keyboard. It's also sticked here, so expect it to be a bit difficult. Phew. This should just slide up like this. Yeah, the keyboard was holding it. Now, what do we have left here? The flex cable, that is. See these little clamps here? This is the next move. These little clamps here. And this one here as well. This is the keyboard. Oh my god, what's he? It looked so intimidating, but it's not. Here we have the huge display. And the flex cable is sticked here. So since I'm keeping the slide, I won't be unsticking it from here. So I'll clean these parts and be right back with you. Alright, cleaned it. I won't be needing this earpiece because, well, the new body shell has a earpiece in it already, so yeah. Time to put the display back in here. Good. Pushing the clamps back in, making sure the display is clean enough. The keyboard has to be out. Now this should just slide in here like there we go. Good. I just remember what I forgot to take out from this. This is a antenna here. It's sticked here. See? So I have to take it. That's what those two contactors are for. Ah, and it went in pretty good. Good. Well, this one at least. Now this one. Good. Well, okay, time to put a battery in and test this beautiful phone. To look at this magnifique. Just fingerprints. Let me just change the language to English. All right. It's pretty fast. I'm not taking the protective cover off. So yeah, it's a like a filter. It's like this because of this. So yeah. All right, now see, 179 hours. $6710S. So yeah, this was the restoration video of the Nokia 6710S. I like this phone, especially because of this Thanos chin, something like this. So, what is your opinion about this phone? Did you have it? Do you like it? Leave your thoughts in the comment. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful in case you have one, the same one like this one, and want to see what's inside it. If you find it useful, leave a like. Please subscribe to my channel, it helps me a lot. And I'll see you in the next video, in which who knows what I may refurbish next. Well, it's a navigator, of course. Well, yes. Like always, I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye.